following counties in Georgia: Fannin, Gilmer, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Wind chill advisory in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a wind chill advisory, which is in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. Locations: extreme North Georgia down to parts of the West Atlanta metro area. This includes Atlanta and all of the mountains. Hazard types: black ice and wind chills. Some trees and branches could fall or break with a gusty wind. Timing: until 1 p.m. today. Impact: roads, including bridges and overpasses, could be slick, making travel extremely hazardous. Some trees and branches could fall or break with the gusty winds. Winds: becoming northwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 30 miles per hour. Wind chills: wind chills will range between 5 degrees above 0 to 10 degrees below 0 for a few hours this morning. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring, or travel from recent snow and ice could be dangerous. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves. This advisory is for the following counties in North Carolina: Cherokee and Clay, and East Polk, Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a winter weather advisory for hazardous road conditions, which is in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Event: most roads will remain snow-covered through the morning. Timing: now through midday. Impacts: travel will be hazardous. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and use caution while driving. Travel will be hazardous. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and use caution while driving. The current time is 9:35.
Alright, hey guys, so there was a wind chill advisory, a winter storm warning, and a winter weather advisory. WW300. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys later.